craving sweets on the carnivore diet. I can't believe I'm even explaining this. That means you should go and eat sugar. If you crave something, that means you want it. Most of these zealots, whether they're actually following it to the T or 100%, it doesn't even matter, because that's them. This is so funny. But they have nothing else to do with their lives. Which, regardless, whatever, it's more spontaneously about the fact they want to act like they stick to something, and they're doing it for views. They're doing it for clicks. Also money. Money's more so. They're doing it for money. That's why they're doing it. And so they don't want to ruin their audience. And basically, they're liars. Such, for instance, like Paul Sedino. Which, he's not a complete liar, but if you lie about one thing, you lie about other things. That doesn't even matter. 95% of people, I guarantee, in the world, there's going to be a 5% that don't need carbs, that are just not going to eat carbs, whatever. Especially if you're anorexic and you're only eating meat. And you have no fat on you. Your body tells you something for a reason. 95% of people in the world are gonna eat carbs and need them. Again, that's why you feel that inside of you. There's nothing wrong with carbs. They have minerals that hydrate you. I've felt it many of times. There is minerals. I don't even like saying that. You can just go seeing for yourself. And anybody that just eats strictly meat, if they go and eat a little bit of honey, any type of carb, in addition to what they're eating, they're going to feel an energy boost.